Hey there, Salesforce enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we have an exciting topic to dive into, and that is how to become a Salesforce developer. If you ever wanted to work with one of the leading CRM platforms and build custom solutions, you are in the right place. But before we dive into all of it, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out. Okay, so hearing that you wanted to become a Salesforce developer and you don't know where to start, do not fret, okay? We've got you covered, okay? And we will break it down into simple steps. And first things first is it is essential to understand what Salesforce is, okay? So Salesforce is a powerful CRM platform used by business to manage customer data, sales and more, right? Okay, and the core concepts is you'll need to understand the data modeling, objects, fields, and relationships in Salesforce. So basically, these are the building blocks of the platform, right? And also, I would like to stress out that if you don't have an account in on Salesforce yet, all you gotta do is choose the choose the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, and log into salesforce.com and create an account. Once you've created your account, log in with your credentials and you will be seeing this dashboard here, right? And once you are inside the dashboard, okay, it is necessary to involve gaining the skills and knowledge to work with the Salesforce platform, right? And develop custom solutions for businesses. Okay, so first things first is understand the basics. So you have to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of Salesforce, understand what Salesforce is and what it offers, such as, customer relationship management or the CRM capabilities, and start by, learning the core concepts, including the data model, objects, fields, accounts, and relationship. And then you can also sign up for a free Salesforce Developer Edition account. This allows you to practice and develop on the Salesforce platform without affecting the production data. So Salesforce offers excellent documentation and a learning platform called Trailhead. So the Trailhead, it provides a structured path for learning Salesforce development from basics to advanced topics. Work through modules and projects on Trailhead to gain hands-on experience, okay? And then there's also the you would also need to learn the Apex. Apex is a Salesforce programming language similar to Java. And if you learn how to write Apex classes and triggers, which are essential for building custom logic and automation in Salesforce, that would be a necessary edge to progress your knowledge here to become a Salesforce developer. Okay, and then the next one is the Visual Force and Lightning components. So basically, if you explore Visual Force, it is a markup language for building custom user interfaces. And additionally, you will learn how to create Lightning components, which are used for creating modern responsive UI in Salesforce. Okay, and also I'd like to take note that the Salesforce Objective Query Language, or the SOQL, and Salesforce Objective Search Language, or SOSL, are crucial for querying and retrieving data from Salesforce, and you just have to learn how to use them effectively. Okay, and then another thing is learn how to integrate Salesforce with other systems and services. Salesforce offers various integration tools and APIs such as REST or REST, ESO AP or SOAP, and Bulk API. Understanding the different Salesforce development environments, including a sandbox, and how to use them for development testing would be nice and will progress your development. And also, you have to familiarize yourself with our version control systems such as Git or Git to manage your Salesforce code effectively. And consider pursuing Salesforce certifications, which can boost your credibility and job prospects. Popular certifications for developers includes Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 1, Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 2, and Salesforce Certified Data Architecture and Management Designer. And once you apply your knowledge to a real world projects, building solutions for, let's say, a non-profit organizations or creating personal projects can be a great way to gain practical experience. And Salesforce continuously evolves, so stay up to date with the latest updates, features, and best practices through Salesforce release notes, blogs, and forums. And also, don't forget to join the Salesforce developer community and participate in events, user groups, and online forums because networking can help you find job opportunities and connect with experienced professionals. And once you feel confident in your Salesforce development skills, you're gonna start looking for job opportunities, create a strong resume and portfolio of your work to showcase your expertise. And never stop to have a continuous learning because Salesforce is an ever-changing platform. Keep learning and expanding your skill set to stay competitive in the field. Remember that becoming a Salesforce developer takes time and dedication. So be patient. Without your learning journey, as you gain experience and certifications, you'll become a valuable asset in Salesforce ecosystem. Okay? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up by clicking that like button below. And before we go, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you who has been part of our Easy Earl community. Your support means the world to us, and I can't thank you enough. I'll see you guys on the next video.